An important set of tools you will use very regularly in Microsoft Word is the copy, the cut, and the paste set of options. If you copy something, you are taking a copy of some content and you're placing it in another document, but the original remains. If you cut it, you're taking a similar type of content and then you're putting it someplace else, but the original content then disappears. So essentially you're erasing it from one, but then putting it someplace else. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over a few different examples of how we can take our content and then paste it in another document and then potentially put it into the same document. So let's go ahead and highlight these two lines. Because again, remember you have to select it to affect it. I'm going to go ahead and just click and drag down the margin. And then as soon as I let go, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to this section. You'll notice over here in the upper left, I have this paste options. I also have these scissors, which is going to be my cutting. And I also have this guy right here with his two pieces of paper. That is my copy. So if you move your mouse over, you're going to see it's going to tell us exactly what those things are. This is paste, add content on the clipboard to your document. Well, what is the clipboard? Well, the clipboard comes from whenever you copy something. So it says here, put a copy of the selection on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else, or it's Control C. And you can see here is cut, or Control X. Remove the selection and put it on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. And notice again, the paste option looks like a clipboard. So beautiful. So let's go ahead and run through these. And feel free to practice some of those keyboard shortcuts, because I know I sure do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this maybe to another document itself. So I'm going to go ahead and select everything once again. And this time I'm just going to copy it because I want it in both places. So I'm going to click on copy. And this time I'm going to use my shortcut on my quick access toolbar to create a blank new document. Now I'm ready to paste. Now notice there are some paste options underneath it. We're not going to get to this right now. So all we're going to do is focus on just clicking directly on that clipboard icon. And you can see, bam, that comes right up. Now, I want you to notice though that there are sometimes paste options that appear. So if you click on that, you're going to see that we can keep source formatting, meaning, hey, the original, that was the way exactly how I want it, so keep it exactly how it is in the source. The way the look, the way the feel is, as far as our font size, etc. Now if I do this one, you'll see here it says merge formatting. Well, this particular new document has no formatting on it, so essentially it's going to take the formatting of the destination. And if you look at the preview, it shows right up with no formatting at all. Some of you may want to bring it in as a picture, which we're not going to do, but it basically becomes not editable and it becomes an image. And you choose that. Maybe you just want the text, and again, that's going to be unformatted. Depending on where it's going to live in your new document, it will not have any format at all, and it'll be stripped down of anything of how it looked like before. So I really like this one. I'm going to choose that, and I'm super happy with it. Very good. Now let's go ahead and go back to original document. I'm going to click on View, switch windows, and now let's go back to our construction project. Let's go ahead now and do a copy to another part of the document. Well, you know what? Some of this, like our budget, that needs to be down below. So once again, I'm going to select coming all the way down, not touching any of my words. And this time I'm going to cut it because I want to remove it from here. It doesn't belong in this section. So very easily I can either use cut or do Control X. And then notice how that immediately disappears. But what I have to do now is go to the part of the document of where I want it to now live. So very simply, I choose paste, and now there it is. I have now cut it and I've pasted it. And now let's do the same thing, but bringing it over to a new document. So let's go ahead and just take our quality, and I do not want it in this document anymore. So very simply, I'm going to click on the scissors icon or the cut. That goes away, and now I'm going to go back to the new document that I just created, document 52 for me, and then very simply I'm going to go back to the Home tab and just choose Paste. Lovely. That is copying and pasting. Now again, a good idea to start using some of these keyboard shortcuts. Don't forget about the paste options. See what options are there for you. In case Word does not get it right the first time, you'll see that it does have other tricks up its sleeve in case you wanted to try it a different way or it's not working for you as you bring it in.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel. Explore our videos and training sessions and decide what you want to learn next.